Hey everyone, so I just got my swags from Hacktoberfest 2021. So let's open them. मैंने पहले से ऊपर से कट करके रखा हुआ है. So here we have the t-shirt. Finally इस बारे मेरे size की आई है. Last time बहुत oversize मंगा ली थी मैंने. Next we have some things inside. Let's open them. Enjoy your stickers. Yeah, definitely I'm going to enjoy them. Getting socks is so good. Okay, what is this? Okay, something related to Intel and OpenAI. This is some sort of QR code. Oh, the programmer's oath. Wow, this is so cool. These are my stickers. Okay. And ship good code. These are all stickers. Oh, nice. This is so cool. Yeah, so that's all. It is all empty now. So finally I got my swags. I'm a happy kid. Bye bye everyone.